If you are looking for a healthier take on deviled eggs, then you have got to try these Fiesta deviled eggs, y'all. I have been nailing these things. They are so good and they're easy to make, so let's go. Okay, I'm going to add my egg yolks into a large bowl. Next, I'm going to add my avocado. Really ripe, creamy, soft avocado. You don't want to use that hard stuff because it's not going to get creamy. And these deviled eggs do not have any mayonnaise because we have this yummy, creamy avocado. So it's really important that the avocado is nice and ripe. Okay, so once you have the avocado in the bowl, go ahead and mash it like crazy because we want this to be really, really smooth and creamy and stuff. So just mash it really, really good. Throw in some lime juice. Gotta have that fresh lime juice. Okay, so once you have everything all mashed up, here's how it will look. Go ahead and throw in some red onions, some tomatoes, and some jalapenos. I'm using the jarred jalapenos because I like the way it tastes in here. So go ahead and just stir that all together. And you can add in other stuff if you want to, but yeah, I'm going to keep it really simple. I have a whole bunch of spices, taco seasonings here. We're going to just throw this into my bowl here. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika, all that good stuff to give it lots of flavor. Nice, bold flavor. Stir that on up. Okay, so you can leave it like this right here where it's kind of like, chunky, but I wanted mine to be a little bit more smoother, so I went ahead and blended it up. Now it's a little bit, smoother, not as chunky. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and place our filling into a piping bag. This makes it so much easier to pipe this filling into little eggs as opposed to using a spoon, So now just go ahead and pipe the filling into our little egg halves like this right here. And you guys, this has been my breakfast all week, like this and a mango smoothie. It got your girl losing weight, y'all, okay? So yeah, make these right here. They're a great little snack. Okay, so I'm going to garnish it with some smoked paprika. I'm going to add on a little bit of onions. You can garnish this any way you want to, but at least do the smoked paprika, okay? And a little bit of cilantro. I just did smoked paprika, red onion, cilantro, and tomato because it looked good and it tasted good. But that's it, you guys. Fiesta avocado deviled eggs that are so addictive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Later.